So you want to move on and start better. Forgive yourself. Babe, everyone makes mistakes. Like it's common fucking sense that you're a human, not डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज और शक्तिमान. मैं भी जिंदगी में बड़े बड़े लफड़े कर चुकी हूँ क्योंकि सिर्फ ज्ञान से शर्मे का पेट नहीं भरता. क्योंकि मुझे एक्सपेरिमेंटल प्रूफ चाहिए होते हैं, डेमोस चाहिए होती है, तभी तो बेवकूफ़ की तरह हर बार गड़बड़ करके ही सीखा है. तो इफ़ यू वांट टी अबाउट माई खान्स आई कैन डू दैट बिकॉज मैं तो एनीवे स्टोरी सुनाने के लिए रेडी हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ तो कोई भी मेरी कहानी नहीं सुनता यार. प्लस टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई गेट व्यूज आउट ऑफ इट. तो सब्सक्राइब एंड कॉमेंट टी इफ़ यू वॉन्ट. आई एम गोना डू इट एनीवेज. तो नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर फर्स्ट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू रीराइट योर स्क्रिप्ट. हेलो माई प्रिटी विचेस एंड विलन्स. Take a deep breath. Do it. I'm waiting for you. Pause the video and do it. तो sweetheart, खुद को माफ करो. Forgive yourself. You need to make peace with yourself in order to get the peace which you're asking for. You can't move on from that bad past or traumatic experience with the feeling of guilt. You cannot. It's gonna haunt you. I'll tell you one episode of my life, okay? It was 2 years back and तब I was 16 years old, ठीक है? तो I was living in a hostel and it was January time or something like that because our finals were approaching and we had to study they were giving us time to study on our own and it was called study hour. There was no discussion allowed and it was Wednesday. I remember that day was Wednesday and I was solving maths like one big Einstein gully pop. Yes, I was solving maths problem and there was this sir called, okay मैं उनका नाम नहीं ले सकती तो let's keep his name as Lalvardhan Singh. I have no idea what does that mean. Anyways, so this guy Mr. Lalvardhan Singh, he comes in and tells that there is no discussion allowed and I shouldn't find any of you discussing or simply wasting your time. This time is given for study. Like proper teacher who will tell all of these things. Disciplined teacher. So yeah, I was a good bachchi. So I was studying, I was solving and all. So I had a doubt, okay. Before he had told that if you have any doubt, you can approach the teachers because teachers, why are teachers there? So yeah. Anyways, I had a small doubt and my friend was here next to me and he was not there anywhere. I just turned this side. Then I was like, hey, okay, I can't take her name also. Let's keep her name as नाम बोलो कुछ. Okay, so let's keep her name as Kenny. ठीक है. तो I was like, hey Kenny, can you just explain this? I'm not getting the answer. Okay. By the time I could finish that sentence, that guy is there. प्रत्यक्ष हो गया है यहाँ पे. प्रत्यक्ष होके खड़ा है यहाँ पे. Okay. And he's like, शर्मिली. गली पॉप अब आओ सेंस में. हो गया ना कांड. तो he's like, शर्मिली, what are you doing? I told you not to speak. I told you to not discuss. What is this? What is this behavior? And then I was like, sorry sir, I was just asking a small doubt because obviously if it is just a small doubt, you can't go to a teacher. I'm not that. Excuse me, I don't want to look बेवकूफ in front of the teacher. So, you know, आप भी कर चुके होते हैं. तो yeah, anyways, I was like, sorry sir, it won't happen again. I will study on my own. And then he goes back. And I start studying again. And after like 1 hour or something, I'm bored. Because I can't study more. Okay? I can't study a lot. I can't. I would never be that kid who would always studying. But then I eventually became the person. That kahani also I can tell you. But in the next video or some other video. So Kenny was also bored. Okay. I could shakal se mujhe, I could make out. Okay. And I just turned. That's it. And I just opened my mouth. Again this guy comes here. Enters. Yes, you heard that. Again I'm like, sorry sir. And this time he is not believing it. He's like, you people just waste your time. You people don't study. You people don't even have the seriousness. All blah, 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 blah. He starts scolding us. In this is not scolding type of, kind of taunting type. But anyways, I felt very sad for myself. Because for the entire time I was solving. I was studying. मुझे कितना बुरा लगेगा. So I wanted to look good. I wanted to be that one good girl in front of him. So what I did, I followed him. I was like, sir, 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 aise karke. I went outside, and at that time only, it was time for national anthem. Matlab, universe wanted entertainment, and I became the joker. So yeah, I stood there in front of him like this for the national anthem. I can't sing that because I have to stand. So I'm lazy. So yeah, I stood there like this. And after it was done, I am like, sir, I'm so sorry, but then I was not speaking. I did not even utter a single word when you were not there. Just when I opened my mouth, you came. All of those things I started telling. Now, this person is like, I was having a mini heart attack. He cuts me off in the middle, and then he's like, no, Shanli, it's fine. And I'm like, huh? What, brother? You're telling me no, no, no. That means I'm wrong. And then you're telling me that it's okay. Because my mind, in a second, if there is something happening, it runs like one PT Usha to every possible direction, every possible outcome, and come back to me. So I was like, what happened? Am I going to get scolded again? Am I going to get my character certification again? And then he's like, nobody is bad. He tells this. And to be honest, after that, whatever he was telling Bhashan, I did not hear. I couldn't hear. Because that one line, what he told, is like literally stuck in my mind. So what I want to tell you is, you made a mistake. It's fine. You're a human and you will make mistakes. If you still feel bad for what has happened, for what you did, you're a good soul. Because there are people who don't even regret for what they have done. It's the event, the situation which makes you look like a bad person. You were portrayed as a wrong one, as a bad one. Everyone deserves second chance. You deserve second chance. So, darling, it's okay. You were young. You're a human, and humans are supposed to make mistakes. We are not any Asgardians or creatures of guardians of galaxy or gods to be perfect. Name any one Homo sapien who has not done a single mistake in their life. Tell me, name them. अगर कोई है तो प्लीज़ मुझे बता देना, मैं भी उनसे ज्ञान लेना चाहती हूँ, even though advices don't work on me. Anyways, but most of the time, you won't get any person who is being sant and waiting for his vardhan, because we learn from our mistakes more than some advice which is fed on our mind, baby girl. गलतियाँ तो करनी ही है भाई, तभी तो सीखने का असली मज़ा आएगा. I make mistakes. I love the fact that I made it while figuring out something all by myself, because I learn from that. Honey, you make mistakes. You're normal. You're improving. So you need to be gentle towards yourself. How can you shape your personality if you don't make anything wrong? How will you learn in life? How can you imagine being that perfect one without any flaws? Without even making something wrong and shaping it better? Darling, honey, baby girl, if you're learning to live your life all by yourself, you want to learn, like me, even though people who are there to advise you, you will make mistakes. And once you get that kind of life which you have dreamt of, you look back and tell yourself that I've grown so much. I've traveled the paths which were created by me, all good, bad, everything. I'm so proud of myself because the mistakes have made me who I am now. And that's the beauty of making something wrong and learning from it. So it's not your fault. Of course you'll get hates, you'll get taunts, people will speak about you. Don't care. As long as you forgive yourself, as long as you stand up for yourself, you want to move on, you have to forgive yourself. It was just a chapter in your life. You have many, many good things, many good experiences coming up, many good opportunities coming up. You can create one. So to live like that, you need to move on. You must forgive yourself. I'll tell you all of my girls out there, After watching this, once sit blank, let the thoughts flow, let all of that traumatic or bad experiences which you have experienced, let those flow through your mind. You ask yourself one question: did that event change my personality? Am I like really happy to stay like this? Am I really okay staying like this? Even if you feel a tiny whisper saying that, yes, I'm more than this, I'm not like this, I'm much more than this, I'm not happy staying like this, then that's you telling yourself to move on, honey. So forgive yourself. मुझे एक्सपेरिमेंटल प्रूफ चाहिए to rewrite your script. Subscribe and comment right now. You comment T, like, yeah. Anyways,